Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Yes, we are still continuing with the nomenclature, and this question comes. This rule comes. It says, look for any branch by counting the number of carbon atoms in the branched group. Their name ending with "-il". Okay, this is what we are having. Suppose this is the chain we are having, and we happen to have this one as our branch. Okay, let's fill in all the bonds which are missing. This one has one bond, it's missing 3. We have to remember that every carbon must exercise a covariance of 4. This one has 3, it's missing 1. So it's missing 2, it's missing 3. So if that's the compound we are having, our focus is on this branch. It has how many carbon atoms? It has 1. Remember, we use "my ear pains badly" as the mnemonics for recalling the first 4 carbon atoms. So M is for 1 carbon atom. So this is a methyl. Okay. Then we can go to another one. Let us look at here. This one comes, and you have this. So if that's the case, let's try to fill in the missing bond. This one's missing. It has one bond. It's missing 3. You have to remember that every outlet here is a hydrogen atom. This one is missing 2. This one has 3, is missing 1. This one's missing 2. It's missing 2. And it's missing 3. And our focus is on this branch. And the branch has 2 carbon atoms. What did we say? It's my ear pains badly. So this is E. It is ethyl. Okay. If you want to name the entire compound, then you can go ahead. So still we are continuing, and this statement says that identify the position of them, I mean the branch. The position by assigning them the smallest number. If more than one of the same kind, write them separated by comma and assign the correct prefix in accordance to the number. Okay, this is what they mean, that you have a carbon and a carbon and a carbon and a carbon and a carbon. And if you have this one as our branch and this one as our branch, so let us look at that first. Let us try to fill in the missing bond. This one has 1 bond, it's missing 3 because carbon must exercise a covariance of 4. This one has 3, it's missing 1. This one's missing 1. This one's missing 2, and it's missing 3, and it's missing 3, and missing 3. Now our interest is on these branches here. Both of them are methyl. Okay, and the statement says that we must assign them the smallest number. If you start from the other side, it will be bigger numbers. So, which means that this one is going to be our number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Why? Because it assures the smallest number of these two. And so the name becomes, what do we say? It's going to be 2, comma, 3, because from a number to a number you use comma, and from a number to a word you use a dash. So it's going to be comma, di, because there are 2, methyl. Yeah, that's how we deal with the branch. If you want the whole compound, then you have to remember that this is our longest chain, and our longest chain consists of 5 carbon atoms, and 5 carbon atom is a pentane, so it's going to be dimethyl pentane. So one more example for emphasis here. Yeah, suppose you have another one here like that, and let's try to make this one like that. And you have another one here and another one here. Suppose these are branches. So let us try to fit in all the bonds. We have to remember that carbon must exercise a covalence of 4. So this one has 1 bond. It's missing how many? 3. This one has 1. It's missing 3. This one has 1. It's missing 3. This one has 4, so it's not missing any. This one has 3. It's missing 1. This one's missing 3. Okay, that's what we are having. The next step would be to identify the longest chain. Okay, here we have to see 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. But if you find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this one happens to be the longest chain, not the straight one. So what do? You have your longest chain demarcated. Okay. Okay. So if it's demarcated, then what does it mean? The meaning is that whatever is not part of the chain is a branch. You have a branch here, you have a branch here, and a branch here. Okay. Then what are we supposed to know? We are supposed to assign them the smallest numbers. So which side will give our branches the smallest number? If you start from this side, we are going to have 1, 2, so 3, and this 4, 4. Those are bigger numbers compared to this side. What do we have this side? It's going to be 2, 2, 3. So with that information, this one happens to be our number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay. So what do we say? We are going to say that is 2, 2, 3. Okay, because there are 3, the prefix is tri. Methyl. Yes. If you want the entire name, then you have to know that the longest chain has 5. And 5 is pentane. So it's going to be pentane. And with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Yeah, we are not going to forget to remind you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and also to share. We believe we are the best. You won't regret. Bye bye.